Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Hippie Backpack style number 9405. This bag was made in Costa Rica in 2000, and as you can see, it's in the color black. So this is a pretty slim backpack. Here's the other side. The strap is adjustable, and it does have a nice deep slip pocket on the back, and it's got a hanging pocket here on the inside as well that has a zip closure. And here is the creed, so you can see that it's authentic. Apparently the style was faked a lot, so here's the creed, so you can see that this one is authentic and that it was made in Costa Rica. And then here's the interior kind of body of the bag. As you can see, it's pretty deep, and then it also has a zip closure here with a matching leather zipper pull, and it's also got Coach engraved here on the buckles. And lastly, here's how it looks on my mannequin, so you can kind of get a better idea of how it would look when worn. Here's a side view. And then here's what it would look like from the front. And then here's the back again. So anyway, that is the Hippie Backpack style 9405, and it is available now in our online store. So if you are interested in looking at it further, I will link the store link below directly to this listing. And I'll also leave all the information on the bag that I mentioned earlier in the video down below in the description box as well, so you can easily reference it there. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.